Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now with the essentials: a net fragment and a slingshot core. These items fuse into the net slingshot. Once you have level 15 and the recipe unlocked, open the crafting UI and choose weapons, because that directs components into the correct slot. Make sure to stack similar materials first. This prevents accidental use of rare upgrades. Then place the 2 core parts into the recipe grid and confirm craft. This initiates the timed forge sequence, which you must watch for interruptions. Once the base craft begins, you need to reinforce the net frame to avoid breakage. Insert a 0.5 alloy plate or equivalent immediately, because materials quality scales durability. Then add a tension coil with +2 rating to boost firing speed. Slipping this in late reduces its effect. Make sure to watch the forge timer closely. When the stabilizer prompt appears, within 10 seconds, apply it to stabilize lattice bonds. This prevents critical failures and raises final item. You finish by sealing the build. Apply a wrapping seal to lock stats, because without it random roll changes can occur on pickup. Once sealed, claim the net slingshot and immediately test it in the firing range. Aim at a moving target to check spread, range, and net deployment timing so you know adjustments to sighting. If crafting fails, use salvage to reclaim roughly 75% of materials. This saves rare parts and lets you reattempt without full resource loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.